what you call a bull gator down there. Big, mature male. As you can see, he's big. We don't normally get them this big in here. You look at his eyes. You see his eyes? 9 to 10. Yep, exactly right. He's a 9 to 10 foot alligator. And he is probably 70, 80 years old. And he's as close as we have on the planet. Now we're going to go out to almost where the eye of Wilma came through. The male goes out and gets the building material, and Mama, she's the engineer. And they tell me that nest went through Wilma a few years ago when a lot of people in Marco lost their roots, but she didn't lose her nest.
About the nature of that. That's good. Good work. All right, anybody else find anything? Oh, cool. I wonder if we can eat those.
Well, they both are right next to him.
Well, you know, heard of
To
like
love
in the,
people.
there it is.
But they do. Just,
Oh, look at it. Yeah. The manager of our gym was a Navy SEAL.
oh, glad they're on our side.
Yeah. Oh, really? So
yeah, they have a
female
very
running
structured
packs.
society. And then you got another one back. There's three. Mom, the baby, and another one.
I see the baby.
Yep.
The baby's just off to the left.
The baby doesn't have as big a lung as the mother, so the baby may have to come up before the mom. You don't see that?
Oh, he's coming up. He's coming up.
There he is, guys. That's as close as you ever get to him. All right.
Oh, there's
And you see see the big fat tail? Now watch him back and you'll see his foot.
Goes under, you know. Uh-oh.
Okay, yeah, go ahead and put that in. We'll just scoop it right in there. Piece of cake. Nice job.
That's a good catch.
All right.